Morecambe and Wise. Well, now, of course, this is the era of disc stars, and I'm very proud to have on the show tonight two boys who are among the most successful in this field. And their singing style makes me squeal right along with all their fans. So a big welcome to the Everly Brothers.
He's a bird, a very funny joker. He's a bird, but when he chokes my honey, he's a dog. He joking, no, it's so funny. What a dog. Johnny is a joker that's a trying to steal my baby. He's a bird dog. Well, Johnny sings a love song like a bird. He sings the sweetest love song ever heard. But when he sings to my gal, what a howl. To me, he's just a hook dog on the prowl. Johnny wants to fly away and puppy love my baby. He's a bird dog. Well, hey, bird dog, get away from my quail. Hey, bird dog, you're on the wrong trail. Bird dog, you better leave my lovey dove alone. Hey, bird dog, get away from my cheek. Hey, bird dog, you better get away quick. Bird dog, you better find a cheeky little lovey. T-shirt, he's a bird. He tiptoed up to reach her. He's a bird. Well, he's the teacher's pet now. He's a dog. What he wants, he can get now. What a dog. He even made the teacher let him sit next to my baby. He's a bird.